Let's go ahead and FaceTime.
Anthony.
No.
Because if you do that, he's gonna be like, he want me. No, you're not gonna do that.
Anthony.
Because you're better than that.
Anthony.
You're better than that.
Anthony.
What? Yeah,
One
what?
at a time, how much you like dick?
Yo, I ain't gonna say shit.
One other thing, how much Anthony like dick? He told me
Don't
that
fucking
last
answer
night.
me.
We was
Don't
talking
fucking
about.
answer me.
He said $299.
Yo, bullshit.
1 at a time, how much Mimi like pussy?
1 out of 10.
0. She's
Nah.
fake.
Yo,
She's fake. She
well,
like that dick.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you something.
She like
Let me
that
tell you
dick.
fucking
Up in
something.
that
Let me
pussy.
tell you something. Mimi like dick. Mimi like dick, yo. Mike like dick, yo. He likes it 10 out of 10. You know how a nigga like dick? When he's like, oh yeah, dámelo papi. That's Mike, yo. I hear him every night. You know how I know? Because I'm his roommate. So all I gotta say
How
is
much
this.
Mimi like pussy, yo?
Pussy, Mimi like pussy like a bitch like a wussy. Yo, that's how fucking Mimi like pussy.
Do me. Mimi like pussy. She's faking. She don't like pussy. She like the dick up in the ass.
Yo, I knew it.
That's why she always spitting everywhere. She like that dude. She like. I think she is a hermaphrodite. She have a pee.
Yo, you know what I mean,
She
Ramon?
like
You know what I mean,
everywhere.
Ramon? Because she learned that shit from fucking porn stores.
You should record this.
Mimi
too.
likes to
It's wrong. It's wrong.
Yo, that's David. He fucked up, yo.
Yeah.
David! David!
Eat a dick, nigga. Eat a dick.
That's our friend. She's import from Ashong.
Yo, that's a drunk motherfucker. That's who we entrusting our lives with. But you know what we gotta do? Nothing, because we fucked up, so it don't even matter.
You know what? We trust on him because he's an Ashong.
David!
Ashong people is smart.
Can you
Eat
teach...
a dick, David.
David! Can you teach me how to Dougie?
Can you teach me how to duck it, David? Hey, teach me how to duck it. David, teach me how to
Nah,
duck it.
do you know what David knows to do? Can you teach me how to order? Can you teach me how to order? Yo, David.
I'm about to order my food morning.
Hey,
I'm about to order my food. I'm about to...
Hey, yo, David.
Hey,
Hey, yo, David! Hey, yo, David!
Can you learn me something?